Hello students of class 2nd, myself Jigna Patel from Saraswat International Academy. Today I am going to teach you English Grammar chapter number 12, Doing Words, part 1. Many words show actions. Words that show actions are called verbs. As for example, the children jump, shout, run in the garden every day. This is known as action words. See, the boy is riding a bicycle. Riding is also an action word. Students are playing. The boys are playing. See students, the boys are playing over here with the football. This is an action word. The eagle is flying in the sky. The flying is also an action word. The dog is barking. See, students, it is an action word. So, students, open your grammar textbook. Page number 37. Lesson number 12. Doing words. You learnt about doing words in class 1. Can you fill in the blanks using words from the box below? Students, you must be thinking which box ma'am is talking. I am talking about this box. You have to fill up these all blanks in this line with the help of these clues given in the box. GT. What's wrong? Here, let me help you. People should not dash gum on the streets. So what will the answer be there? Throw. THROW, throw. I was walking and now there is chewing gum on my foot. I am trying to dash it off. I am trying to take it off. I know, but it does not dash. It does not work. You should try to dash it off. You should try to rub it off. R-U-B, rub. Thank you, post. Yes, people should dash the streets clean. Keep the streets clean. Come on the next page number 38. Exercise A. Now look at these pictures and write the correct doing words below it. Choose the words from the box given below. You have to choose these clues given in the box. What is this boy doing? Jump. So answer is jump. The boy is jumping. Jump. What is this girl doing? Climb. Climb is an action word. Climb. CLIMB, climb. What are these boys doing? Swim. SWIM, swim. What this picture shows? What is this child doing? Paint. Yes, exactly students. Paint. PAINT, paint. What this girl is doing? She is eating. So, what is she doing? She is eating. Eat. EAT, eat. What is this girl doing now? She is drawing a picture. So, draw. DRAW, draw. Come on the next page. What is this boy doing? Cooking. So COO K. Cook. What is this boy doing now? He is stitching. Stitch. At stitch. This girl is combing her hair. Comb. Comb. Over here, what is this boy doing? Dance. 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 Kids, completed exercise A. Exercise B. Read the following paragraph and circle the doing words. Seema and Rohit walk to school. Now walk is a doing word. What is he doing? Walk. So circle walk. On the way they see a little kitten. See is a doing word. SEEC. It chases a ball. Chases. CHASES. Chases a ball. Suddenly the ball rolls under a car. Rolls. 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 Circle rolls, students. The kitten sits near the car. Sits. 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 Rohit crawls under the car to pull out the ball. Crawls. CRAWLS. Crawls under the car to pull. 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 He throws it towards the kitten. Throws. 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 Circle throws, students. Seema claps her hands. Clap. Circle claps. 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 The kitten plays with the ball happily. PLAYS. Plays. Have you all circled? Okay, fine. Come on, exercise C. Circle the doing words. The gang is at the fun park. ISE. Circle ISEs. Grammar. Tells Mac to buy a ticket for the merry-go-round. Now circle tells. Circle buy. She does not stand in the long line. Circle stand. She sits on a horse. She sits on a horse. Circle sits. Mac flies next to Grandma. Circle flies. He eats her candy floss. Circle eats. Students, you all are circling what I am saying. Yes, very good. GT and Post run to the roller coaster. Circle run. RUN run. GT claps. They all smile. Clap. Circle clap. Circle smile. They enjoy their trip to the amusement park. Circle enjoy. So students, here we end with our grammar chapter. Lesson number 12, doing words. Now open your textbook, English Reader, page number 28. Students, in textbook we have completed up to here, these and those. So today we are going to do this doing words. Exercise B. Choose the correct word in each sentence. There are two words, so we have to choose the correct word. First one, make/tie your shoelaces. So the correct word is tie. Second one, the old man/ drinks its tea slowly. So the old man drinks tea slowly. The third one, I can go slash climb a coconut tree. I can climb. I can climb a coconut tree. Fourth one, my mother sings slash says songs to me. My mother sings. My mother sings songs to me. Fifth one, look slash see at your book. So, look at your book. Have you all circled? Yes, students, very good. Come on, number 6. Rafi wears slash puts socks and shoes. Rafi wears socks and shoes. So students, here we end with our chapter number 12, doing words in grammar textbook and English reader. So in the next topic, students, we will be going with lesson number 13, is, are and am. Hope you all have understood it. Thank you, students.